random stuff with cats here. If you saw my last video, it was quite the something. Yeah. Anyways, we're playing Paper Planes today. Should be really fun. Played it before. And yeah, it's just a really fun game. Now, today I'm gonna be trying to get through the cat. Do you see that little golden thing, like right where my cursor is? Yeah, that's what we're gonna fly through. So, yeah. If this goes by fast, then I'll go through it okay, I'm going through it 5 times. I did not think I was gonna go through it. Oh my god. Alright. Do you like my plane? I do. Looks cool. Okay, what? If you want to try creating a better plane than this, you can try. But yeah, you don't have to. So far I've only got 1. So, can you please like and subscribe? I've said my goal in my last video, but I'm gonna say it again, just in case if you didn't watch. I'm trying to get 5 subscribers in 3 months. So, yeah, I'm quite new to this. So, that seems like a big goal for me. Yeah. And this is going to be quite something. 1. Oh, come on. That's me. If I haven't already asked this, what do you think the cat's colour is, and what do you think its name would be? I personally think it would be like my cat Harry, ginger cat named Harry. Cat Harry. Harry was named after Harry Houdini because the day he was born on the planet, he just walked around the entire house. Oh, isn't that ridiculous? I nearly ended my entire run there. Oh, this could be it. My personal record for going through this is 3 times in a row. How did that? Focus nose on. Why did I just do that? That could have ended my run. And it did. Not the way I was wanting it to. Well, it was kind of the way I would want this fun to end. Ow. Oh. Nah, it did, since it's a paper plane, a lifeless thing. Also, in my last video, I did this, and I asked you, if anyone knew what that was. Now, in my next video, I'm going to say what it is. And yeah, just giving that out as warning to anybody. Oh! cucumber. Nah. Yeah. Why do I feel like this is gonna take 5 hours? 2. Know what? If I couldn't even get to, my goal is to get through this 5 times if I haven't already said. And if I can't do that, I'm just gonna try to get through it 3 times. Oh! Dum. Ah! Come on! Come on! No, I'm just gonna boost through here. That was a bad choice. I actually think now the slower you go, the better. Do this, and your entire game could win. Wait, what? What happens to my blade? I've been wanting to show this glitch to people, when my thing just spins so fast, and then it just hips sideways. Oh. When you turn it, looks a bit normal. Oh, one way. Feel bad. I'm constantly poking that tiger. Sorry, I mean cat. And the cat's not. Sorry, I mean tigers are big cats. Anyways, so I feel bad for the cat because this paper plane is called the needle. So I'm constantly poking him or her with a needle. Okay, you know what? This is really infuriating me, and I'm pretty sure I went through it 3 times or 2 times. So this is my last attempt. Hopefully I can get 3 or better yet 5 in a row. No, alright. Well, I did go through it a bunch of times. You know? If you want me to try and do that again, just say down in the comments. Also, please like and subscribe if I've not already said that. I feel like I have now. Booyah! Wow, that got me some speed. Spadania! Wow. But I sound like Gary from SpongeBob. Meow. 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 That cat is a fisher's cat. Fisher's cat of the land. Well, that's something. You know. This game really makes you relaxed, doesn't it? I feel relaxed, but I also feel like I'm like, okay, Dolly's a bit extreme, but look, there's always all the progress that I've made if I crash. Oh, I want that hello hoop. Also, question: why are hoops yellow? Is it because some body fluid I don't want to talk about landed through them? Like it is the white colour. Oh no, that's put me off. You know what that means? I've been putting my PP ever balloon for. Like, please tell me if you know what that is. And hey, 2 good choices, 1. How is there wind under the water? And no, it's not fishes. Fishes behind gas. You guys seeing this? Guys, what's happened? I had to end my life. Dog, was insane. I want the paper. I want the paper. It's really just paper. So, which one of these do you want me to do in another video if I do planes again? No, probably, or not probably, but nearly have enough. Probably nearly have enough for the Harrow quarter, actually. Yeah, I really recommend this. Also, I just wanted to say shout out for Itty Bub. If you don't know him, I think you should watch some of his videos since he's a really good YouTuber. And well, he's new to it. Like he's only been on YouTube for 1 week, but he has 18 subscribers last time he said. So yeah, you could subscribe to him. Also, another shout out to Dave Hacks. Just amazing. Like Itty Bub. Well, not like Itty Bub. He's been going for quite a while. You might know him. You might not. So yeah, those are the 2 shout outs that I'm giving. Itty Bub is my friend in real life. Dave Hacks, I act like he's my friend. So yeah, just bear in mind those 2 shout outs, so please subscribe to them too. And also if you could subscribe to me, banka. Anyways, so yeah, bye.